So it's been a while since I've posted anything. This is the 1973 International Harvester Wagonmaster 1100 half-ton. As you may have heard from my previous video, it is a factory modified Travelall. They only made 500 of these because they were mistaken in their engineering, thinking that they could attach a fifth wheel to the bed of the SUV. But as you can see, the rear axle is too close to the cab to have allowed for a fifth wheel mount to go in. So it was horrifically unstable at that use, and so they put an end to it once the engineers found out about the project. Anyway, this is a original Denver vehicle. It was purchased new here in Denver, Colorado at the Brighton Boulevard International Dealer back in 1973, and we're on the old site of the Lowry Air Force Base, which is out that way. You can see the aircraft hangars, which have been repurposed to 24-hour fitness and some other recreational use. And so this is where it spent most of its life, and I live just up the street from here, so how cool is that? Have a great surfing experience finding another one of these.